Hi everyone, we will continue the Cre-Art Level Up tutorial. So for this tutorial is learn about how to create a 3D gradient liquid effect in Adobe Illustrator. Before you start to create the 3D gradient liquid effect, you may prepare the 3D gradient color palette. And then you also have to prepare kind of shape for the 3D gradient effect. If you still not remember how to create the gradient color effect, you may refer back to the tutorial one. So I will start to show you how to create the 3D gradient effect. For the first part, I will choose a pen tool to draw the shape of the line. And then I choose the selection tool. Just click the sweep icon to sweep become the stroke line. And then I choose the circle shape, copy and paste, and then I select these two shapes. For the starter point should be small and the ending point should be big. So I will click the object and blend, make it. So for now I want to make it the stroke, the step of the circle become the smooth. How I create is I click the blend tool, double click, and then the smooth color of the spacing you may choose the specified distance, and then click the preview. Maintain the distance of the size. I maintain to 1 mm. Then click OK. I click the selection tool and I select the stroke and the 3D gradient effect object, blend and replace spin. This is the final outcome for the 3D gradient effect. And I adjust the size of the 3D gradient liquid effect. Hold the shift to maintain the size. For now, I will show you the shape of the 3D gradient liquid effect. Same thing. I use the pen tool, draw the shape whatever you want. And then I choose the selection tool. I using the eyedropper, choose the gradient color. And then I sweep the fill to the stroke. I copy and paste, and then I click the object, blank, and make. So same thing, I will click the blend tool, double click, and then the spacing change to the specified distance. Maintain to 1 mm. Click preview. Then click OK. I click the selection tool, select all the object and click object, the blank, and replace spin. This is the final outcome for the square of the 3D gradient effect. That's all. So thank you for watching this section. If you have any question, you may leave down the question in the inquiry form.